Okay, so today we're going to show you how to place this bed onto sofa block to allow you to take the panels off and actually work with them and put padding onto the panels and headboards. So what you're going to want to do to make life easier, you're going to want to take off your safety rails to make it a little bit lighter so you're not lifting up so much, and you're also going to want to take out your mattress and set it over to the side. You'll grab your sofa block. You will need 4 of them. You will also need another person to assist you to help you lift this up. All right, and if you'll lift it up, you'll place it right here on this frame. It's right there on that frame. All right, you can set it down. All right, thank you very much. All right, now from this point, we can start to take off the headboards and footboards. Use your handy dandy drill. Now, just going to take off the footboard. And set it off to the side so you can work on it. Once you have all the headboards and footboards off, you can now go on and take your panels off. There are 4 bolts on each side, on the back side, holding each panel in. You can take a 9mm wrench, come from behind, and loosen. Once you get this side down, you can set it straight down and work on the other. Okay, now you can just take this off and set it off to the side so you can work on it. Okay, now on some beds you'll have manual cranks, and if you do have a manual crank, what you'll do before you take off anything, well, before you can remove the panel, is you have to use your Allen wrench that is included, and you have to loosen your handle. And it will come off, and then you can lower it down.